Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. My friends, today we are going to continue with lesson number 5. Let's proceed to the question number 2. أضف الكلمة الأولى إلى الثانية. Add the first word to the second one. Here we have to use the two words and make a murakkab or a combination of mudaaf and mudaaf ilayhi. So let's get started. Kitabun Muhammadun. Let's make the combination of mudaaf ilayhi. Kitabu Muhammadin. Book of Muhammad. Qalamun Hamidun. So it will become Qalamu Hamidin. Observe the signs: single dhamma on mudaaf and tanween bil kasra on mudaaf ilayhi. Baytun Qabbasun. So it will become Baytu Qabbasin. House of Abbas. Ghurfatun Qaliyun. Combination will be Ghurfatu Qaliyin. Room of Qali. Daftarun Saqidun. The combination will be Daftaru Saqidin. Notebook of Saqid. Mindilun Yasirun. Murakkab will be Mindilu Yasirin. Handkerchief of Yasir. Qamisu Qammarun. Qamisun Qammarun. Murakkab will become Qamisu Qammarin. Shirt of Qammar. Sarirun Khalidun. Combination will be Sariru Khalidin. Bed of Khalid. In all these cases, these nouns were proper nouns. So al is absent in these nouns. Now in the other examples, we will see that mudaaf ilayhi is a noun which has al. Okay, and in that case, due to al, the end of the word has single dhamma. Maktabun al-mudarrisu. We have to use these two words and make a murakkab of mudaaf ilayhi. So Maktabul Mudarrisi. Desk of the teacher. Miftaqun al-baytu. The murakkab will be Miftaqul bayti. Key of the house. Dukkanun at-tajiru. Combination will become Dukkanut tajiri. Shop of the businessman. Baytul al-muhandisu. After combining these two words to make mudaaf ilayh, it will become Baytul muhandisi. House of the engineer. Ismun al-waladu. Murakkab will be Ismul waladi. Name of the boy. Kitabun Allahu. Murakkab will be Kitabullahi. Book of Allah. Baytun at-tabibu. Murakkab will be Baytut tabibi. House of the doctor. And last one is miftaqun as-sayyaratu. Murakkab will become miftaqus sayyarati, means key of the car.